Okay, the last video I was showing you, I was putting in some fiberglass resin mixed with fibers all chopped up and some talcum powder, and you can see that it was hard to apply because I made it very thick and strong. So when I finished applying that, there was still room, so I mixed another batch right away and I poured it right over. We're about 24 hours now. It came out pretty good. I covered it to the top. I decided to make sure that these magnets are well covered because I want to protect them from weather. They're not the ones that are covered with epoxies. Those were an extra $100. I bought the ones that were like $340 for 24 magnets and 52s. They're 1 inch by 2 inch by ½ inch thick. And right now, look, it's just a little tacky, just a tacky. And the reason for that is because I didn't put in a lot of hardener. I wanted to, even though it took time to harden, and of course it didn't help. I have 60-degree temperature here in the garage, so that's not helping me. I'm gonna raise the temperature right now. I'm gonna bring it to about 75 degrees so that it finishes its hardening really good. The thing is, if you don't put a lot of hardener, it won't be as brittle, and that's my goal. It wasn't to save hardener. It was just to ensure that it wouldn't be very brittle like glass. Plus, with all the fibers inside, I think I'm getting a good result. I should have kept the heat up a little more. But this is all one, it's like 2 pours immediately, one after the other. If you notice, the only places I'm missing epoxy right now is right here on the inner part of the magnet. So there's a lot missing protection there. That's where the aluminum tape was. On the outside, it's not a problem. You got a nice 1/8 thick, the equivalent of the lip beneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix a bit, and I'm going to mix it a little thick and with enough hardener inside, and I'm going to brush it in, just a brush coat right now because it's still a bit on the tacky side before it, so that it's like 1 pour almost. And that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'll keep you posted with more footage because the next step is gonna be probably the rotor.